Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a border on the button only on hover state. So for example, when we mouse over, then it will have a border around this button. Let's log in into our website. Add /wp-admin for the WordPress website login. After that, now let's edit a page with Divi Builder. Now here you can see page builder is loading. After that, now we can add and change button style. Now let's click on module settings, then go to design tab. After that, click here button. Now let's scroll down and here we can find out border width. Now click here on the cursor icon. After that, here you can see, so this is desktop, and after that click here hover. Now let's add a value, for example 10. This is just for example, and after that let's select a border color on the hover. Click here, and after that here you can see, make sure that hover is selected. Now let's select the border color black. Now click here yes, then 3 dots. Now save it. Okay, after that now let's refresh the page. Here you can see there is no border, but when we mouse over on it, here you can see border is showing. So this is the way to add border only on hover